Hello everyone, let's look at how we can come up with this particular solid block in Autocad. So it's quite a straightforward exercise where we are going to draw this particular front part at the direction of the arrow using the dimensions given. Then we'll press pull it a distance of 30, then afterwards come and add this additional block on top. So to do this, we'll make sure that our Autocad is up and running. Then we'll come to our home button. Afterwards, make sure that we are drawing from the top, but before we do that, I'll set my UCS to UCS world so that I can start drawing from the front. Then afterwards, this indicates Z and X, so I'm going to change that by coming to the coordinates, then view, so that I have Y and X. Then afterwards, I'm going to begin modeling. So I'm going to model the bottom part at a distance of 60, then upwards 20. So we'll begin off with a polyline. So start. Okay, the distance is too small, so I'll zoom out a bit. Then start with 60. So I'll make sure that my auto is on so that I can draw a straight horizontal line. So the first is 60, so I'll type 60, then press enter. Then upwards 20, press enter. Then afterwards 20 again, then 10. So 20, then upwards 10, enter. Then so for this we'll need to subtract 35 from 60. We need to subtract 35 from 60, so we have 25. Then downward the distance of 15. Downward the distance of 15. Then enter. Then towards the left, a distance of 15. Then lastly, join to the origin point. Then enter. So while still at that, you can do this square of 15 and 15. So again, I start drawing it from, I just draw it from the rectangle command from this corner point. Draw on this other side 15. So I'll type 15. So I'll launch it again. From this corner point, I'll type 15, then tab, then 15, then enter. So after having these, I'm going to press pull them by coming to home, then coming to press pull, select this and press pull it distance of 30, enter, then press pull this other one. So I need to move it towards the side, so I'll come to move, then enter, select it from there. So I'm going to press pull this a distance of 15. So I'll come to press pull, select 15, then enter. Then afterwards I'm going to move this to this particular point. So I'm going to come to move, select the solid, enter, and select the base point, which is that particular corner on the other side. Then I'm going to click on this point as such. Then I'll delete this 2D drawing. Then come and change the visual style to conceptual. Then I'll come to UCS world. So that's the diagram that I need to have. So the only thing that I'll do next is come to solid, union, then select everything, then press enter, so that we have one solid block as indicated in the question. The other thing you could do is annotation. Annotation is basically putting your dimensions on. So for our case, I'm going to start off with first of all managing the dimension style. by modifying its text height. So I'll come to text, change the text size to 5. Its symbols and arrows also I'll just have them as 5 so that they can be visible. In the primary units, I'll change it to 0 decimal places there on the decimal. Then I'll say OK. Then I'll close this. Then come to home. Come to the coordinates. Pick on the face that I want to dimension. Let's say if it's this one. I'll accept. Then I'll come now to dimension or annotate. Pick on a linear dimension. Then click at the endpoints. Then specify where I want to put my dimension as such. So that's the first, as you could continue with all the rest of the dimension. Afterwards, come back to home, make sure that my UCS is at UCS world. So you could also change the visual style to, let's say, hidden and so on and so forth. So that is the way or the procedure that we are supposed to adhere to come up with this particular solid block. I hope you enjoyed and followed through that particular short tutorial. Thank you for joining me. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Also, please make sure that you subscribe for more of these particular tutorials. Thank you.